Raise your right hands, repeat after me. I, Tony Palumbo,
I, Tony Palumbo,
Today has been the end of a long journey and yet the beginning of another.
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
I am very thrilled that after 33 years, I have been able to take the oath of office as the Anoka County Attorney.
that I will support the Constitution of the United States.
It has changed in that life is, like society in general, has gotten more complex. There are more crimes on the book than when I started, obviously. Technology has made things different, yet the feelings of someone being violated by a criminal act remains the same.
And that I will faithfully execute and discharge the duties
I wish to establish contact and start building relationships with all the chiefs of police, with the fire chiefs, with our educators, the school boards, the principals. I want to establish an ongoing dialogue with them so that I can help better understand the issues that they are facing and how the county attorney's office can help them.
of the office of Anoka County Attorney
of the office of Anoka County Attorney.
I have asked the assistants and the investigators and those that work in the office to become more part of their communities, to be visible, to interact with the various volunteer communities throughout Anoka County.
and to the best of my ability and understanding.
To the best of my ability and understanding,
I understand completely that there is such a high standard that the Anoka County Attorney's Office has set for justice in Anoka County, and I am bound and determined every day to strive to try and meet that high standard. And with the help of everybody in that office and the help of everybody in the community, I'm going to try very hard to do that.
So help me God.
so help me God. Thank you.
It feels really, really very good. I will tell you, I was surprised, very pleasantly surprised at how many people showed up and all the well wishes that everybody gave me.
Thank you all for coming today. My family, my friends, co-workers, members of the bench, elected and appointed officials, and those from the community. I came to the Anoka County Attorney's Office many years ago from St. Paul as a law student. My hair was a bit darker then. And I began to learn how to really be a lawyer. Not just what the law said, but how it should be carried out in a just manner. In other words, what justice really meant. I learned that every file that I touched was a part of someone's life, and that I'd better handle that file correctly. Many of you here today were a big part of that practical, real-life education. And as the years went by, I began to adopt Anoka County, not only as my career, but as my home, and as the community where I wanted to raise our children, and where I wanted to be a contributor. And on November 2nd, Anoka County then adopted me. They were persuaded to do so by a great campaign staff and a great many volunteers who helped out. And for that, I am very grateful. It is said that we are the sum of all whom we have met. And if that is so, then everyone here, and others too, has helped me to be able to stand up here today and take this oath. And for that, I am also very grateful. And as we go forward into the future, it should be remembered that the Anoka County Attorney's Office has always stood for the highest standard in our justice system. Just like when I came here as a law student, my education from you continues as I learn what it takes to maintain that highest standard. I intend to work hard every day to do so, and I know others in the office with me will do the same thing. Thank you for coming and being a part of this special day for me and my family. It means a lot to us all. Thank you so much.